Hi everyone, today I am going to show how the animation painter works in Microsoft PowerPoint. I have done animation for this icon and this text part. Let's copy the same animation for remaining elements. So let's select this cloud icon and then click on the animation painter, then click on this shape. Now the animation that I have used in the text, I want to use the same animation for this icon. Let's click on this text and select animation painter, then click on this icon. Let's copy this cloud icon animation to this shape. Just select this icon and click on the animation painter and then click on the shape. I want to copy this text animation for this text animation. Now let's see what I have done. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching.